this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 separate ways on how you can run all of your favorite mobile applications or mobile games just using your computer. And feel free to use chapters down below because we're getting straight into this. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is you need to go into your local internet browser and you're going to want to get this thing called BlueStacks. When you type in BlueStacks, you'll basically see this right here, which when you click on, you can basically get it. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to actually run all of these mobile applications or mobile games just using your computer, whether it be a Windows, Mac, Chromebook, or just any other computer. And basically this doesn't cost any money whatsoever. It actually serves as a host to allow these games to function just on your computer that otherwise you would not be able to play if it weren't for this. This is by far the easiest way when it comes to running iPhone or Android applications just on your computer. And the second way we can actually do this is if you just go into your computer's settings, you can basically find this thing called Terminal on most computers. And what this does is you can basically write some basic code that will allow you to run different applications just on your computer. As you can see, I'm trying to play Clash Royale on my Mac. You want to be as specific as possible. If you're using a Windows or Chromebook, you want to tell it that. You can basically take this code right here, copy it, and then just put it into Terminal, click enter a few times, and doing so will allow you to actually run this game just on your computer. Now, unfortunately, this is not the easiest method, and it does require you to know a little bit about code so that you actually kind of know what you're doing. Otherwise, this isn't very straightforward, but the third and last method is by far the easiest way by far. But for the Apple device or for the Android device, what you're going to need to do is you need to go into your computer settings, and this one is called iPhone mirroring just on your Apple computer. But if you're using an Android, you can basically get this thing called screencasting, which is automatically built into your computer, and it basically allows you to actually run your iPad or iPhone just on your computer like so. And you can basically use it as you normally would just on your computer, obviously. You can see right here, I can basically use my iPhone, or if you want to use an Android, again, use screencasting just as you normally would, but on your computer. This is the easiest method by far, but if you're unable to do this, definitely go for the BlueStacks approach. But those are the 3 different ways you can actually do to run mobile games or applications just on your computer. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, have a great day.